Welcome back. Good morning, everybody. We hope you're enjoying our deep looks at some of these companies. This week we're looking at Cresco Labs. The above probably got you well caught up on what the fundamentals look like, but they're based in Chicago. They have a lot of locations now, 7 states, 10 facilities, I think 16 or 17 dispensaries. So definitely a growing company. And they're traded on a couple exchanges. Let's jump over to the pricing chart now and see what we can see. We're looking at the OTC exchange here. The ticker is CRLBF. And you can see it didn't start trading until very recently, the end of 2018. So there's not a lot of history here. But this is such a great learning example for this stock. Here we're showing a couple of moving averages. We have a 50 period, a 100 period, and a 200 period. They sort of go up with price, no crosses, no real indicator here to get in or out of this trade. It was horizontal for a long period of time with a little bit of up movement, but nothing you would have predicted with the moving average. Let's look at the CCI, Commodity Channel Index. Pretty nondescript as well. There are some periods when we're hitting our markers, above the range. Here's where we would pay attention. Some of this noise did go up, but it's not really clear. If you were a really aggressive trader, you may have acted here. But most of us, myself included, would have not considered that an indicator. What about the stochastic? We're looking at the stochastic RSI as well. Pretty volatile stocks. Look at what's happening. We're hitting our whole range almost every period, and the amount of time it spends above, again, is pretty limited. So we are seeing, from 680 to 7, dollar gain, maybe 17% gain on this stock in the pricing chart. But all the indicators we're looking at, momentum indicators, moving averages, stochastic RSIs, there's not a clear-cut entrance for some of these stocks unless we're some of the most aggressive traders out there. So this is such a good learning example. We have all of these tools in our trading toolbox. We have all the different indicators that we're comfortable using. We know how to analyze, but they're telling us not to do anything, and that's a lesson we need to listen to. So oftentimes that's what you'll get with these new stocks that don't have a lot of pricing history. So pay attention to the indicators. They're there to teach us, and oftentimes they teach us to not do anything. Happy trading, everyone.